Meanwhile, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips says he'll be using a series of national broadcasts to address corruption issues in Jamaica. We'll be having that story later on in the newscast. On the heels of the month-long drama surrounding the baby that was stolen from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston, government agencies say they have been improving procedures to prevent a recurrence. Cameras have now been installed at the hospital, but other agencies are also exploring preventative measures to get to the root of the problem. After last week's recovery and reuniting of the stolen baby with his family, the West Kingston police said it would be investigating a possible child stealing ring at public hospitals. But Marketing and Planning Manager at the Registrar General's Office, RGD, Nicole White, says these suspicious actions are nothing new.
I know it is something that has been happening over the years, and persons, I guess, continue to try to beat the system and to register children that are not theirs.
It's suspected that there is a demand for newborns on the black market, which is at the center of suspicious activities at hospitals and the RGD. The black market reportedly supplies stolen children for illegal adoptions. But CEO of the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, Rosalie Gage-Gray, is pleading for persons who support this market to stop.
We just want to say, though, to persons who would do something like this, that, it's not the way to go. We think of the mother who would have suffered over this month, the family, that is. And so we want to encourage persons to desist from this kind of activity, because it's really put trauma on the families.
Ms. Gage-Gray is reminding the public that there is an active adoption program through the CPFSA. She says there is a challenge, however, as persons seeking to adopt are mostly interested in newborns.
We will continue to work with the regional health authorities. Our offices are right across the island, and we do work very close with them, especially the social workers in the hospitals. And so we'll continue that partnership as we seek to educate the public and about the responsibilities and our role in the adoption process.
She says in addition to providing assistance to children who are in danger and support to families like the Huttons who were reunited with their son on Friday, the CPFSA also seeks to help persons like the woman held at the RGD.
We haven't heard much of the person who snatched the baby, but we want to ensure that support is provided if that is necessary at a later time.